everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page for your business. Hi, I'm Michelle and I love helping small business owners get more clients online. Now you may ask, do I really need to have a Facebook page for my business? I'm just a small business owner and I don't even have the time to manage it. Well, having a Facebook page is just like having another storefront for your business. It's another way of getting your business in front of potential customers online. Plus, if you plan on running ads in the future, it's a great way to tap into the 2.85 billion monthly active users who are currently on Facebook. A Facebook page is free and it doesn't cost you anything, so you might as well build one right now and build your brand on it over time. So now let's get started. On the top right, click plus, then page, then it will go to the create a page dashboard on Facebook and type in your page name. Make sure that it's unique. You will see the green plus sign on the right if it's available. Then on the category, just type in whatever you think is relevant for your business. It will auto-populate some items there, and then you can choose the category that describes your business. You can select several categories. So in this example, this is a page for a website about real estate. So I am choosing and looking at all the categories available and selecting what best describes it. So I have education website, and news and media website. And then go to description. So here I suggest that you keep it short and make it like an elevator pitch. So what is your business one-liner? And that is what you put in the description to make it simple, short, and sweet. Then go to the profile picture. The dimension is 180 by 180 pixels. And then select the cover photo. So I did all this before I created the page to make it easier, and I just uploaded it easily. Then Facebook will prompt you to put in additional details, which is connecting your mobile number, but in my case, I don't want to put my number here since this is just a website. So I'm going to choose leave. Then look at what else you can add, which is like your call to action button. So you have different options here. You have start order, book now, send email, learn more, etc. You can choose what action you want your audience to go to whenever they land on your Facebook page. So for me, I'll just have them go to my website. So I will type my website address here. And then you can scroll down and look at what else you can put in terms of details for your page. Update the about page and enter the website here as well. Make sure that in each step that the changes are saved, because otherwise you have to enter the details again. And then I'll put in my email. Then wait for the changes saved on the lower left to make sure you don't lose your changes. Then I'm going to add my location. So since this is a website, I don't have a physical location, but if you have a store where customers can go to, you type the address at the top. So here I'm just going to choose my page doesn't have a specific location. And uncheck customers can visit my business address. One other way to just edit everything in one place is to click on Edit Page Info, and you will see here all the fields that you need to update. So you can choose a username. For example, www.facebook.com/myrealestatetips will go to my page. Then go to phone number and update everything there. I will disconnect my account since I don't have a number listed here. Then go to location. If you don't have a location, you can put in your service area instead. Type whatever areas are relevant for you, and in this case it's not a per country, it's actually a city or a region. So I will select, in this case, Vancouver, BC, because this is where my target audience is in. Then go to hours. So if you have store hours, put in what hours you're open. Otherwise, if you're a website, then you can go on always open. Then these are the other details that you can put, like the price range, your Instagram account. And if you have a privacy policy, then you can copy it from your website, which I'm doing right here. So I will copy the URL into my Facebook page and then make sure it's saved. Then I'll go to the next step. And this is what my page looks like for my real estate website. And then on the left, you can look at all the other items on the dashboard wherein you can see your activity, you can see your messages. So since this is new, I don't have any notifications yet. And here, when you get messages from your audience, you can respond to it. Then if you have posts, you will see it under this tab. Then that's it. You have your new Facebook page live.